Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video I'm going to be talking about why over 90% of forex traders lose money in the market. That's a very crazy statistic, but that's just the truth. Okay, you can Google, you can check anywhere you want to check. You're going to find out that over 90% of forex traders actually lose money in the market, and just below 10% actually consistently make money in the market over time. Now, why is this a statistic so scary and so crazy? The reason is very simple. It's because majority of forex traders are retail traders. Okay, retail traders like you and I. Okay, it's just the big financial institutions that make up about the 10% or less than 10%, and also some retail traders that are very good at what they do, okay, and understand the game. They are the ones that fall into that less than 10% that actually make money in the market. I'll be giving you some reasons, so just follow me. Now, why is it that a lot of retail traders fall into this 90%? Good. The reason is because most retail traders have a small capital. That's the problem. But the thing is, they don't see the fact that this small capital is their major issue. Okay, so they focus on the wrong thing. Now, the wrong thing a lot of what's it called? A lot of retail traders focus on is finding a perfect strategy. Okay, finding a perfect strategy. Now, strategy is very important when it comes to forex trading, no doubt. Okay, but even after they have gotten a good or decent strategy that is decent, is good enough, and they have mastered it to a certain level, they still end up falling into that trap of losing to the point of blowing the capital. Okay, blowing their account completely. Why? Because they are overdoing. Okay, you are overdoing, you are over trading. Okay, you are allowing greed come into play. You are not taking into consideration the fact that you are actually you are doing well. In fact, you are how will I put it? I just don't know how to break it down to you. Like, let's say a retail trader, for example, has $100 in account. Okay, you have $100 in your account. Then this retail trader starts trading and makes $5. Dude, if you can make $5, you are a great trader. You have done enough for the month. $5 in that month. Alright. If you check those in the 10%, alright, that are actually making money over time in the forex market, okay, if you check their records, you would see, I'm talking about the financial institutions, the hedge funds, the big banks that actually trade forex and consistently make profit in this market, to the point that they are confident enough to collect money from a lot of persons and pull it together and use it to trade. Okay, what's giving them that confidence? Go and check their records. You would notice that they do not do more than, most of them don't do more than 5% in a month. But definitely, since they have gathered a lot of money together, this 5% will be in millions of dollars. All right, so they do not overdo. That means if you are actually having $100 in your account and you have made $5, you are a decent trader. You are a great trader. You have tried. You have done enough for that month. All right, you have done more than enough. But the 5% of $100 is $5, so it looks small to this retail trader. Okay, it's gonna look small to you. Now you want to overtrade. You want to enter more and more trades. Okay, and more trades do not result in more money. More trades result in more risk. You're exposing yourself to more risk. So at the end of the day, both the profit you made and the capital you have, everything will disappear. Okay, because in a bid to make more money, to milk this market with your small account, you end up taking trades outside of proper risk management. Proper risk management, now you're supposed to per trade you're supposed to risk about 1% to, let's say, 3% of your capital, okay, per trade. So if you're risking this small an amount, 1% of $100 is $1. That means what you'll be looking to make, if you're using 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, is about $2. Okay, in a particular trade. Now it looks kind of small. You would want to do more and more and more. So the truth of the matter is, retail traders overtrade. We overtrade. Okay, we overtrade most times. If you have $1,000, okay, If you have $1,000 and in a month you are able to make up to $50, you have done well. $50 is 5% of $1,000. You have done well for that month. But definitely you'll be looking at your $1,000 and you are looking at $50 that you made. You say it's small. So in your mind, you are looking for a way to double your $1,000 in a month. So with your $1,000, you want extra $1,000 profits in the month. Whereas what would have made you a decent trader is just $50 in that month. But 50 is too small. You want to make extra 950. That greed of wanting to make extra 950 is the reason why you blow the account at the end of the day, because you overtrade. Alright, so what I'm trying to say in this particular video is, number one, definitely by all means get a decent strategy. Okay, because even those that are making 5% per month, I'm talking about the traders that are in that top 10% that consistently make money in the market over time, and the big banks and the financial institutions, the hedge funds, etc., they also have a decent strategy that they are using. So by all means, seek and search for a decent strategy. The second thing I would say is try as much as possible to find a way to get a bigger capital. Okay, find a way to get a bigger capital. Okay, it could be probably through prop firms. You can buy a prop firm challenge. However you want to do it, try to get a bigger capital. If you have $1,000 and you're trying to turn it to 2,000 in a month, you are already overdoing and you are pushing yourself towards falling into the 90% category, whereby you overtrade and you lose the capital at the end of the day. Okay, the third thing I'm gonna talk about is, if you cannot get a bigger capital, then you have to do what? Have patience. Okay, patiently grow your small account. Okay, patiently grow your small account. Let time do the heavy lifting. All right, let time do the heavy lifting. Be patient. Slow and steady, slow and steady. If it's the $50 you are making on your $1,000 account, $50, $50, $50, just keep piling it up like that. Let it accumulate over time. So long you are certain of your strategy, just let time do the heavy lifting. Then gradually, before you know what's happening, the account will be doubled, it will be tripled. Even the record alone, you can use the good record that you have with a particular account to source for funds from investors. That is if you would like to do that, or you can just patiently continue growing the account. All right, or you can get a prop firm at some point. All right, so basically that's what I have for you today. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.